Where can you find your school recording meeting link? Well, navigate to your community and check your notifications within 5 minutes after completing your live meeting, and you will get a notification that says call recording is available. Click on that notification, and keep in mind this is the only place for you to get an actual meeting recording from Skool at the time of this recording. Now, you have a couple different options here. You can download this recording, and that's maybe if you want to chop up pieces of it or otherwise repurpose it to YouTube, you would always choose download. But the other option that you have is if you just want the recording to repost and share as a replay to your community members, then you can click on Create Post. And from there, you can simply write a title of your post, a description of the post, anything else you want to include, select your category, and otherwise, once this process, which normally takes under 60 seconds, you can actually just post this right to your community feed as a recording. For more tips and strategies on how to grow your Skool community, be sure to check out one of these videos right around here.